Hello and welcome back to Trading Club 7U, the premium YouTube channel where we teach trading from absolute zero. I'm your lead educator, and today we're going to dive deeper into the world of chart reading and explore the fascinating realms of trends, ranges, support, and resistance. Imagine you're on a hike and you're walking up a mountain. You're not walking randomly from rock to rock, you're following a path. That path is like a trend. It's a sustained direction of price movement over time. Think of it this way: if the price is consistently moving up, it's a bullish trend; if it's consistently moving down, it's a bearish trend. Now, let's talk about trends. Trends can be classified into three main categories: upward, downward, or sideways. An upward trend is also known as a bullish trend, where the price is consistently rising over time. A downward trend is also known as a bearish trend, where the price is consistently falling over time. A sideways trend, also known as a neutral or ranging trend, occurs when the price moves randomly up and down without any clear direction. To identify a trend, look for the following characteristics. Common mistakes that beginners make when identifying trends include focusing solely on recent price movements, failing to account for seasonal trends, or relying too heavily on chart patterns. Let's move on to ranges. Imagine you're at a beach, and the tide comes in every day, creating a neat little zone between high and low points. That zone is like a range. It's a specific area where the price tends to bounce back and forth. Ranges can serve as a benchmark to measure the strength of a trend. Support and resistance are like the walls of a house. Support is like the floor; it's a price level where the price tends to stop falling and bounce back up. Resistance is like the ceiling; it's a price level where the price tends to stop rising and fall back down. Support can be classified into three main types. Resistance can also be classified into three main types. One of the most common mistakes beginners make is misidentifying trends and ranges. To avoid this, focus on longer-term trends and use shorter-term ranges to gauge the market sentiment. It's essential to understand the context behind a trend or range before making any trading decisions. Here's a practical exercise to practice what we've just learned. Grab a chart of your favorite asset; it can be stocks, forex, or even cryptocurrencies, and find a clear trend. Mark it on the chart, and take note of the dates it started and ended. Next, find a range within that trend. Look for two clear levels of support and resistance, and mark them on the chart. Now, let's analyze what the trend and range mean for your trading strategy. If the trend is upward and the range is narrow, it may indicate a strong buying opportunity. If the trend is downward and the range is wide, it may indicate a weak selling opportunity. For example, let's say you're looking at a chart of Apple stock. Over the past year, the price has been consistently rising, indicating an upward trend. The range between the high and low points has been narrowing, indicating a potential breakout. The level of support at 80 and the level of resistance at 120 can serve as key levels to monitor for potential trading opportunities. To take it to the next level, let's identify a buying opportunity and a selling opportunity based on this analysis. If the price breaks above the resistance level at 120, it could be a strong buying opportunity. However, if the price declines below the support level at 80, it could be a weak selling opportunity. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take what we've learned today and put it into action on your demo chart or paper trading journal. Always keep in mind that chart reading is not a 100 science, and there are no guarantees of profits. Before we close, I want to reiterate that trading carries risks, and there are no guarantees of profits. Always practice on a demo account or paper trading journal before risking your capital. Join us next time for lesson 15, where we'll dive into chart patterns and how to identify profitable opportunities. If you're new to Trading Club 7U, consider subscribing to